under government.
I am always of that opinion that GTDC च्या अंडर हे सगळे लायफगार्ड येवचे कित्याक आमचे गोंयकार भाव जे आहा तांकां आतां सगळे डिपार्टमेंटांनी सॅलरी दिता. गव्हर्मेंट गिव्ह सॅलरी टू दृष्टी गिव्ह सॅलरी टू लायफगार्ड. हे मिडलमॅन कित्याक हेजेर प्रश्न आहा. सेकंडली जे लायफगार्ड टावर्स आहा सगळ्याक लायफगार्ड टावर्स आर बिल्ड बाय गव्हर्मेंट मनी. जेटस्की आसूं any equipments of the lifeguards, everything is purchased by the government, not by Drishti. So Drishtik आमी एक खंय तरी पैसे दिता to manage all this thing. They are management agency and they recruit the labor and give us to the government. Government can take the whole lifeguards under GTDC and GTDC can directly pay them. Whoever is not up to the mark, this is purely on contract basis, renewable contract every 11 months. Whoever is not working properly, the other person should get a chance. Ye aspak hai. And government can also take the help of any of the agency, can put up a tender to train them. Training government and Bangodin Padpak. Government is only to recruit the people and give them salary. Training is given by XYZ company and pay them that for the training cost. Orsak ekda training diyo on lifeguard आणि सगळे equipment governmentan घेवप आणि त्यांनी manage करप. And I feel that direct relationship with the government and the lifeguard should be there. Do not employ them directly under government. It should be purely on contract basis, but salary paid by the government. Was my demand to ex-chief minister, and also I will talk to our present CM now. That day I spoke to him that कोणीतरी आम्ही पैसे फारीक करता, ती दुसरी एजन्सी पैसे घेता, ती मागीर तांकां फारीक करता. There is lot of exploitation of labor in this. कोणीतरी लेबरांक त्रास जाता, अशें जावंक जायना. कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट बेसीस गव्हर्मेंटान जो कोण आयसून आहा तेका 60 years बसून तेका धरप. तूं जेन्ना उदकान आसता तूं फीट उरता मनीस. वॉट एवर इज युअर एज यू रिमेन फीट. वन्स यू टेक ट्रेनिंग, वन्स यू आर स्विमींग इन द वॉटर टू सेव अ लाइफ, यू आर ऑलवेज फीट. सो whoever doesn't want to continue can opt out, but government is giving you that salary. Important is that fitness important असता. तू फिट आउट उरशी जाल्यार तूं उरलो. तुजो जर येवन बसोंक सोदता कामाक जाल्यार that's why government doesn't want to take that responsibility. But I feel government should take that responsibility because we are paying money. State exchequer is paying money to the agency. Agency is paying money to them.
You will talk to the tourism minister, the CM?
I will talk to the finance minister of the state, the CM, that all these years these boys are working under Drishti. They are not happy. So that every year there is a strike. Every year there is a strike. For non-payment, for something else. चालू दा strike. आज तक खंय तरी end जावपाक जाय. When government is giving salary to the applicant or to the boy or a girl who is working in lifeguard agency, they should get direct salary from on contract basis. Purely on contract basis. अशी पॉलिसी जावपाक जाय. It will help. शेक पॉलिसी जी गव्हर्मेंटान केल्ली, खूब जाणांचो हो डिमांड आसलो आमच्या लोकलांचो की जे कोणाक एक्सपिरियन्स आसा तांकां दुसरी वेगळी कॅटेगरी करची म्हणून. एक्सपिरियन्स ऑफ 10 years जे कोण शेकां 10 वर्सां हालीं कंटिन्युअस घालीत येयल्ले आहा त्या शेक ओनराक गव्हर्मेंटान 50% तांकां रिजर्व करचें म्हणून हें आहलें. There was infighting between the shack owners, all the shack owners. Nobody knew that. They had not come forward first to the department. So department went purely on shack owners welfare society जी हा तेंचे मागणे प्रमाणे ते फुडें गेले आनी तेंच्यांनी ही पॉलिसी केली 50%, 40% and 10%. 10% was always for newcomers. So court has struck it down, said that it should be like the earlier policy 90-10. 90 for 3 years and above, and freshers are 10%. So everybody can compete now. कोणाक 3 years experience आहे तेणी compete करूंक जाता 90% आणि कोणाक 3 years experience ना तेणी 10% रावपाक.